A world where no job is too big and no kid is too small.
I am searching for the super scarce Silent Songbird.
This picnic is delicious and so quiet.
Whoops! Gotta keep it down for the birds.
Hello, poodle puppies. Is it lunchtime? I'm starving.
Hi, Mr. Monster. Come join us. But shh, we're bird watching.
Oopsie. Sorry, I'll be quiet as a mouse. There it is! The Silent Songbird! Getting ready to snap a picture.
Whoa!
So crunchy!
That's the loudest lunch I've ever heard!
Oh no! The cacophony caused a crisis! The songbird is snagged!
These chips are delicious.
Ryder! We have an emergency at the picnic grounds! A rare bird is trapped!
I hear you, Chase. We're on our way. No job is too big, no pup is too small. PAW Patrol, to the lookout! Ryder needs us!
Whoa! I'm on a roll, literally! Good one, Marshall!
Thanks for hurrying, pups. We have a noisy problem in the deep forest. The friendly monster's loud chewing has scared the Silent Songbird into a trap.
Chase, I need you and your megaphone. We need to get the monster's attention and quiet things down so we can work.
Spy Chase is on the case!
And Skye, I need you and your wings. That bird is high up in the old oak tree, and you're the only one who can reach it. Yippee! This pup's gotta fly!
PAW Patrol is on a roll! He's still going! Hey! Excuse me, Mr. Monster! He can't hear me over the crunching!
Do it, Chase! Chase, use your megaphone! We need silence to save that bird!
Roof!
Megaphone!
Huh? Did someone say something?
Your loud chewing scared the silent songbird. Now it's trapped high up in that tree.
Oh no! I'm sorry, Sparrow. I'll be super quiet now.
Okay, Skye, it's quiet now. Go get him! Roger that, Ryder. This pup's gotta fly. It's okay, little one. I'm here to help. Ruff! Harness! Harness!
Gotcha! Safe and sound!
Let me check his heartbeat. X-ray screen.
He's just a little scared, but he's totally healthy.
Oh, thank you, pups! You saved the Silent Songbird!
I didn't mean to cause trouble. I just love crunching.
It's okay, Monster. But chewing with your mouth closed is much quieter. And safer for everyone.
That's right. It's called manners. When we use good manners, like chewing quietly, we don't scare our friends.
It worked! No loud noise!
Look!
The songbird likes the quiet monster.
Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help.
Good job, pups!